Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to this video session where we are discussing about the long run production function. So children, we have studied about the different curves in the long run production function. Now we will discuss about its graphical representation of such curves. And we have studied about how the long run curves are derived of by combining the short run curves. We can derive the long run curves, and we can make a long run cost curve by joining the tangency points of all short run curves. So tangency points of all short run curves. Children, this is the diagram where we have plotted all the short run average cost curves. What are the short run average cost? Yes, the average cost that we have derived in the short run period. First, we have to plot such curves in the graph. And after, yes, what all the average cost curves that we have? Yes, that numerical representations through that we have to draw the average cost curves in the graph, and then we have to join the tangent points of the average cost curves. The children, we can see the what curves? Average cost curve, short run average cost curves. So where the tangent point means we can see that the down part of the average cost curve, that curves at first diminishes and after that it increases, isn't it? Yes. So such the diminishing part, that is tangent to the what? Long run average cost curve. We can see here three average cost curves. Yes, at first it diminishes. And you know what is the reason behind the diminishing average cost? Because at that time our fixed cost, what about that? In the short run I told you some factors are fixed and some are variable. And due to this fixed factor cost curves, what happened to that? Yes, because only we are incurring the cost for the variable factors. So what about that fixed cost? It remains the same. So that's why the average cost we can see at first only. What happens to that? Yes, it is only small, or it is only what? Yes, in the diminishing manner only. But as gradually the production process goes on, what happens to that? As we employ, yes, as we employ more and more variable factors only, the short run average cost increases also. So here we can see the three short run average cost curves, and at the bottom part we can see that is the tangency points. That is the tangent to the which curves? Yes, that is the long run average cost. So that point, if we, that is the locus of all these points joined together, and if we draw such curve, is known as the long run average cost curve. Children, so how to derive the long run average cost curve? First we have to depict all the short run average cost that we have derived through the schedule, and after plotting such short run average cost curve, we have to draw all the tangency point. That means at the tip, that is we know that the diminishing portion, yes, that is the down portion, that is the point which is tangent to the long run average cost curve. So this is the manner through how we can derive the long run average cost curve. So children, I hope through these modules I have explained the short run production function as well as the long run production function. So I hope the video session related to all these modules is precise for you. Thank you children for watching this video.